Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttradsolutions.com on a Tuesday holiday week. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. We have the market rebound from last week still taking hold. However, there are some interesting developments. First off, we've got NVIDIA selling off this morning. Lots and lots of rotation, a broadening of the market. We have, some of the housing stocks rates are coming down, propelling housing stocks, small caps, all those are rate sensitive. Uh, and Healthcare is up today. So pretty much you got a mixed bag. But Good news is that the market's broadening out. That means that the S&P, even though Nvidia, which obviously is bouncing even as we speak, still lifting the indexes. It's not, some of these other stocks like Google are picking up the slack. So getting into the charts, let's take a look here at the charts. Here, what we see is on the S&P futures, we are approaching a pretty distinct level here, um, which is that 6,800. We are essentially right back up. Big picture, still largely, I would say, range trading. No doubt about it here. Now, again, 6,900 is going to be very interesting because if we break above that, we probably will go to 6,900 and then new highs. If the Santa Claus rally, this notion of the Santa Claus rally takes hold, but we still got to get through this level here. Nasdaq's been all over the map, even today. This morning with Nvidia getting hit, it was down, didn't quite get to demand, still has to get again above this level here that I have dashed. Overall, again, similarly, big ranges, way off the highs. We'll have to see. The small caps are the ones that are actually picking up a little bit of move today with rates falling. So you can see that's right at the breakout cusp as well. We'll see if that actually breaks out. And that's partly to do with rates falling today. Still largely range bound. Rates have to break 4%. Notice they're trying to bounce off 4%. So all in all, again, this is just could be a one-day reaction. I've been mentioning TLT as a kind of way to uh, uh, look at rates, and as long as it holds above 88.68, huge support in TLT. Dollars also falling as a result of lower rates. Again, this is a one-day thing. Whether it holds, we'll have to see. You really have to break. I'm talking about rates. You really have to break below, I would say, 385 to get a meaningful technical change on the rates market. And the dollar still struggling to get above 100. We'll see if it breaks this 99.50, or else it'll just be another more of the same. Metals just churning here. We got a rollover in the, again, back and forth on gold. Nothing really. I mean, it's been messy, very, very choppy. Similar with silver. Looks like silver's kind of tracking the stock market more or less. You can see here it's kind of just been meandering about. Uh, Looks like if it can break 52, maybe it goes, the 275, but you can see kind of just churning here, going sideways. Oil similarly just cannot get any kind of traction, just very, very choppy. With 61, the same old levels. I mean, really, oil has just been stuck here for like 3 months, 4 months. I think it's an oil Russia story, Ukraine Russia, sorry. And then that gas looks like it's also uh, hanging around this 446, unless it breaks above 482, probably revisits four. This is on the Jan contract. And pretty much everything else is the same. It's a thinly traded holiday week. Tomorrow, who knows? We are closed on Thursday. We have a half day on Friday. Next week, we got the big Fed meeting. So it'll be interesting. I mean, we do have some bullish tendency coming into tomorrow, going into Thanksgiving and Christmas. So it looks like that may take hold here. Bitcoin also, trying to bottom out. We'll see if it can break above 88K. We did take a position in with our members here down here at the bottom. So we'll see if that continues to work for us. But I don't expect much. Maybe a rally into the holiday, and then tomorrow, next week is going to be important with the Fed meeting and so forth. And let's see if Santa Claus shows up. I mean, it's already kind of showing up, but we still got to get above 6,800. So this will be my last video for this week. I'll see you next Tuesday. Have a great holiday. Uh, have a great Thanksgiving with your family, and we'll see you next week. Have a great Thanksgiving holiday.